Hi everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and welcome back to the channel. It's another lunch day, and yes, I'm cooking in the Ninja again. So this time, I've been wanting a grilled cheese sandwich. I was like, how am I going to do this? So, I kind of figure it out here on the sear saute set. So I got it on sear saute. I did have it on medium. And here's my grilled cheese. And the bread was not as toasty as I want it to be. So I put it on high. So now I go, yeah, no, not the fork. It's supposed to be in there. Because oh yeah, that's almost the way I want it. I don't mind the little darkness there. I ain't going there. Yeah, my face is turning red. I was always told burnt toast made you pretty, so that's the only way they made me eat burnt toast. My mom's mom, she can cook my grilled cheese sandwiches perfect. My mom would burn them. So that's where my mom would always say, burnt toast make you pretty. Oh goodness, the things they said to get us to eat. So, mostly I ate. Yeah, everything they cooked, I ate, so. Except fish. Yeah, I take that. I ate fish till I was 6 years old. 6, 7 years old. And, because we had neighbors that went fishing every summer. They bring back, the big igloo coolers of fish and everything. And I didn't have no problems whatsoever. I touched those things, helped my dad cut them up and everything else. One night we eating them. And I forgot I can't remember what kind it was or whatever. And they said, be careful of the bones. I was doing pretty good till I got chucked on one. Chucked on a fish bone, and I said, no, that's it. No more. Fish sticks and everything, and then I have to be in the mood to really want fish or something other. It's like tonight is shrimp, and I told them I just don't want it tonight. Something maybe it was, we can't figure out if it was the Campbell soup or if it was, because they didn't put anything different on, they cooked mine differently than theirs as far as the shrimp goes. But yeah, maybe it was the Campbell soup. It was supposed to have tomatoes in it. I don't know, who knows, whatever. But that's okay. Here we go. So, we used to eat salmon cakes all the time. That I still like. There's the little white bone things that were in there. I used to love those suckers. So, yeah, my daughter-in-law, she goes, this thing was $2.49. I'm like, yeah, I know, it's not cheap like it used to be. So I might go to the Dollar Tree, which is $1.25 now, and see if they have any salmon. So, I'm hoping this weekend to make some salmon cakes and see if Anastasia will like it. So, let's see here. I think this is about done. I'll just grab it out. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Okay, nice and hot. So, to a grilled cheese, if you have a, I guess Instapot Ninja sear saute, I started on medium so it could all work together and melt the cheese and everything. Then I put on high for a minute or so, flipped it to the darkness that I liked, and then voila, turn it off. We're going to unplug it because it's not being used and it cools off faster. And that is lunch. It is a double grilled cheese sandwich. The cheese is from VL Life. I have the sandwich slices in a provolone. I smoked provolone. And then the single sandwich slices. That's really good. Alrighty. So, yes, lunch. It is a grilled cheese sandwich with homemade sauerkraut, olives, and cucumbers. Still kind of a little green kick for some reason, but that's all good. I got that grilled cheese going and let that cool down. And we're going to have a great lunch today. I hope y'all enjoy. If you haven't, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.